1. Sony A6400. The Sony camera is complete with a 180-degree front-facing screen, which surely easier for vloggers that usually talk directly to the camera. Even though this A6400 design is not rapidly changed from the original A6000 model, but it has a 4K video quality, the art autofocus system, and especially its IAF performance. This Sony A6400 is only sold in body, so it will be quite practical if you already have Sony lenses, but you can also buying it with a kit lens if you insist on buying this gorgeou camera. 2. Panasonic Lumix G85 G80. This Panasonic Lumix G85 G80 is packed with tons of features. A weather-sealed body and crisp image quality thanks to the lack of an optical low-pass filter. This quite affordable mirrorless cameras is also complete with 4K recording, mic input, flip-out touchscreen and fast focusing. It also has a face detection to keep a lock on subjects as they move. And while it locks on sensor phase detect AF. Three. Panasonic Lumix GX800, GX850. This Panasonic Lumix DC GX800 is quite small and lightweight, especially when paired with the 12 to 32 mm zoom. This camera screen has a 180-degree tilt facility, which works well with smart selfie modes as well as video, complete with beautifying functions, and the options of face shutter and buddy shutter. This camera is also packed with light-speed AF 4K UHD for video and rapid drive stills, and even a creative panorama mode. 4. Panasonic Lumix G85. This camera will make you vlogging professionally. This camera from Panasonic offers huge control over video recording settings, including the ability to capture 4K at up to 60/50 FPS for a smooth 2x slow motion effect, and also includes an in-body sensor-based image stabilization system. This camera is also complete with a 20.3 MP sensor and high-end video features, which is perfect for professional vloggers. 5. Olympus Penny PL9. This camera from Olympus only has a 16-megapixel resolution, but it still gives a vibe for people who prefer taking a picture rather than busy setting up the video settings. This camera also has excellent build quality despite its compact, lightweight construction. It can also record 4K movies rather than just 1080p and even has in-body stabilization. This camera is perfect for those who want to capture any moment of their traveling journey. 6. Canon EOS M50. This affordable mirrorless camera is easy to use for beginners. It also has an electronic viewfinder. It also has the EF 15 to 45 mm f3.5 to 6.3 is STM kit lens, which has a retracting mechanism to make the camera smaller to carry around when it's not in use. This camera can captures 4K video and has excellent dual-pixel CMOS AF system when shooting 4K, only if you drop to full HD. 7. Fujifilm X-A5. This camera from Fujifilm has a retro design, a 180-degree tilting touchscreen and portrait enhancer for selfies, as well as an advanced autofocus mode. This camera can capture 4K movie which is hamstrung by a 15 fps frame rate. It also has 24.2 MP camera lens and 450 shots battery life.